Guys, today we are doing the remaining part, the summary of the chapter The Bond of Love. As you can see, earlier I have told you, this is a picture of a bear who was very much attached with author's wife, children and the two dogs in the home, and he was very playful and loving. And let us see what happened next. When Bruno grew up, when he turned out from Bruno to Baba, he was very bigger one inside, so the author thought that it could be harmful for the children, so they decided to send this bear to Mysore Zoo. And here, after 3 months, author and his wife, they went to see him. People said that the animal might have forgotten them, but to their surprise, the animal did not forget them. He immediately ran up towards them, and after that, the author's wife, she stayed there near his cage, and she petted and pampered him and spent a lot of time with him. However, she could not leave him, so she decided to take him back. Now she was so much in love with this animal that she decided to take her Baba back to the home. After the formalities, she finally brought him back home and made a special island for him with deep dry pit. Now they made many arrangements at their home. They made a corner for this Bruno, and the house was a corner was turned out into small island sort of thing, and there was a deep dry pit also. Pit is a gadda akhai, and his belongings, the things which are necessary for the bear. So she finally reunited with Baba and spent her days petting him and making him sleep in her lap, sharing the true bond of love. Now both author's wife and Bruno, again they were in the same home. She was in love with that animal. She used to allow him to sleep in her lap, and that was really a true bond of love between a human being and an animal. To sum up, we can say the bond of love summary. We learned that a true bond of love doesn't limit to anything. It can be present amongst the most unexpected places, and nothing can hamper it. So this was unexpected that a bear can be in love with a human being, and a human being can have such a love with such a grown up animal and all. So as you have seen in the story, this is quite easy to understand, so you can read the chapter, revise it with the help of this summary. Otherwise, we shall be discussing at length in our live class also. And here I have put some questions, 1 or 2 questions also for your, so that you should understand the story easily. For example, you will have the questions in 30 to 40 words each. On 2 occasions, Bruno ate or drank, we can say, something that shouldn't be eaten or drunk. What happened to him on these occasions? Bruno, he ate barium carbonate, which was put to kill the rats and mice, and paralytic attack came to him, and to that extent that he could not stand on his feet even. Once he drank 1 gallon of an old engine oil also, but it had no ill effects whatever. So you can be asked the incidental questions. You have to read the chapter thoroughly. Then we have this question: was Bruno a loving and playful pet? Why then did he have to be sent away? Yes, we can say Bruno was really loving, affectionate, he was playful, he was attached with every member of the family, but even to the animals, the dogs, but he was mischievous also, he was naughty also. And the bear became very attached to the narrator's 2 Alsatian dogs also, the children of the tenants. Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. When he was the smaller one, he was very cute, but now his size has grown. Now his name was changed to Baba. Now he was getting too big to be kept at home, so he was sent to the zoo. That was the problem. We shall discuss rest of the questions and the story in our live class also. Try to understand. If still there will be any problem, you can ask, you can discuss with me.